So students, we have already studied about different types of industries. We have studied about various agro-based industries. We have studied about mineral-based industries. And we have also studied that these industries are growing day by day. So it means that the industries in our country are flourishing, but at the same time, they are also causing different types of pollution. Due to industrial growth, side by side, different types of pollution are also taking place, and the quality of our environment is getting degraded day by day. So due to industries, we have mainly 4 types of pollution: the air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. Now we would study about these pollutions one by one. The first is air pollution. So air pollution means when some undesirable gases, they are added into the air. If we talk about oxygen, nitrogen, they are desirable gases which are necessary for our survival. But some unwanted gases, when they are emitted by the chimneys of the various industries and factories and directly go into the air, then it is known as air pollution. And it mainly includes the gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc., which are very hazardous. And some airborne particle matter like dust, spray, mist, and smoke. So we also have some, small particles which we cannot see from our naked eye, like sprays. Sprays, you can say liquid in the form of tiny droplets. Then you have mist. Mist means cloud of tiny droplets which are suspended in the atmosphere. All right. So you can see some small particles, or there are some very tiny particles also in the atmosphere which we cannot see from our naked eye. So some unwanted gases are added into the atmosphere, and some particles are also added to the atmosphere which we cannot see from our naked eyes, and all they are emitted by different industries. Smoke is emitted by many industries. So which are the main industries which emit a lot of smoke? We have chemical and paper factories, brick kilns जहाँ पे ईंटें बनती हैं, brick kilns, refineries, smelting plants, etc. Basically, those industries which ignore pollution norms. These are the industries which do not follow the pollution norms and to a very large extent emit poisonous gases or smoke into the atmosphere. Toxic gases. Now, these toxic gases which are released into the atmosphere, they are hazardous for all of us. They affect human beings, they affect plants, animals' health, and can damage our atmosphere as whole. So this is the first type of pollution, that is air pollution, which is caused by various industries. So you can see these are the main industries that cause air pollution: paper mills, oil refineries, brick kilns, metal smelting plants, etc. Then come to the next, the water pollution. So water pollution is caused when both type of industrial waste, that is organic and inorganic, both the types of industrial waste are discharged into the river. Clear to everybody? Both type of industrial waste, they are discharged into the river. And the main culprits, which are the main industries which are discharging their waste into the rivers, they are the paper and pulp, chemical industry, textile industry, dyeing, refineries, etc. These are the industries which use lot of water, and they use lot of water for their processing, and at the same time they discharge a lot of waste. The above industries let out waste like dyes, detergent, acid, salt, lead, mercury, fertilizers, carbon, plastic, etc. So these are the waste which are discharged by various industries into the water bodies and polluting them. At the same time, we also have some solid waste coming out of these industries. These solid waste are fly ash, phosphogypsum, iron and steel. Now, what is fly ash? Fly ash is a byproduct of burning coal. जब हम कोल को जलाते हैं, so it burns, giving out ash, and this ash later on settle on water bodies and pollute them. So solid waste, we have fly ash, phosphogypsum and iron steel. So this was about your water pollution. Then come to the next, thermal and noise pollution. Now, water released from thermal plants and factories into water bodies before cooling. You know that there are various thermal plants which discharge their waste directly into the river, and they do not treat them before releasing them into the water body. If you treat them by various methods, then many pollutants from this discharge can be removed. So the discharge which we are throwing into the river bodies, it has to be treated by various methods so that the various pollutants which are present in the discharge can be removed. But we are not doing so. Is there anybody who want to ask anything? Voice is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. So before we discharge the waste material into the water, the waste of the industries into water, it has to be treated so that we can remove the pollutant. But we are not doing it. Moreover, we are emptying the hot waste, hot liquid into the water bodies. We should cool it first and then discharge it. But we are not doing it, due to which even the aquatic life is also getting affected. Waste from nuclear power and weapon production facilities cause cancer, birth defects, and miscarriages. So these are the side effects which could be seen if we do not follow it, if we do not treat the waste before discharging them into the river body. Soil and water are connected, as in all the harmful chemicals and waste is dumped into the soil. Then rainwater percolates the soil, carrying the toxic waste and mixes with groundwater. Now, soil pollution and water pollution, they go hand in hand. If there is soil pollution, then it will lead to water pollution. We dump our waste into the land, we dump our waste on the soil, and with rainwater, this waste which we have thrown into the soil, with rainwater, it will penetrate inside the earth and will go into the groundwater. And at the same time, the groundwater will also get polluted. So, both the type of pollution, the soil and the water pollution, are going side by side. If there is soil pollution, then naturally there will also be water pollution. And last, due to industries, we have noise pollution. Industries, they use big machines which create lot of noise, and due to this, you could see there are various side effects like anger, irritation, increased heart rate, blood pressure, etc. It is caused by activities like industrial and construction, machinery, factory equipment, general